and then unya sa $10,000 this is with 100,000 and above.
Ow.
And so ubenya sa inflation so high also. Inflation and now I mean you can say 31.7%. We share policy rate rate banks no share so nobody only my loan. Only my scanner area for you. And then no. So 1 year I was 35%.
That is the interest on loan.
So we are. Which you know who say a get in your better. I think a human air good. So who you ask to our VAT standard rate, you know, a 19.25%. Instead of say the Adea buying share say 84%. You see, one year importers no, you migrate to one every 4% also every cost standard rate no of 19.25%.
And no, as it's say.
As it's say, Ukrainian man will be back Ghana. VAT will be 19.25%. And I no. First, input and output mechanism are which are no account credit and debit, but a you be ana or VAT now or to more input no or between a year mechanism. And the basa is also Yaman. Emma, boy. And now we do say NI National Insurance Commission. Or say, if you say ye insurance, I ye continue my yam. You will say in United Yamagan. Yes, yawa. But so Shamuan Uchiawa Ghana. But the Odi and Yamani Bema credit and also. On also, Uchi, I don't know. And you may anything. It was you need National Insurance Commission. It's classic. Let's check difficulties, challenges, and what's happening. And so now, Omudi Brani Beba, Momudia Banashasi. Omundi. No, it is a Ubiana Michiana Mignon with the understand the account cost. Now, I get denying Nibuaid. Ninya, and yes, we don't have conscience. We have conscience. So, Niama Boyedin, Udi, Niama Osua. Yanto, Sikanikum, we are complaining. Oh, and
Amamo, Richard Amamu, Mami Musa away. Hello, Richard Amamu.
Yes.
When you say freight charges, I was slow. Me Musa away you.
I was slow.
Sesiano.
You're calculating in dollar rates. The net freight charges is 9,000 plus. 9,000 plus no only 10 plus no multiplier. Net say and net only nyama free China and bana udi baha. Ube tiabe say 19,000 Ghana cedi. Udi ba duty crab almost 60,000 70,000 plus. Udi kan one freight ni duty nkwa nyama na sikana udi koto nyama nka hono. And nukra is more than 150,000.
1.5 billion.
Yes.
Na se na mo se mo ba to shop no meba o. Meba Richard, se no mo se free juada ko no. Se enu juada na mo hu sesan bia. Mo ba to mo shop mu no, one day adwuma na mo tumu akopem se aban no so ebe Kenya ne ho.
One day adwuma ye di hihye agukwan mu. Nhihye ne certificate enne no ukokuma udo say stores no obi a the red band I sense almost so me I actually say you need a break Monday no say antifree Monday no immediately I declare say be 2 years shop mu ama abana who say eja ye bread ye ni we die afi say no ami
Tokrodo
Monday no ye be to shop mu na fi say ye no na abana anti ya na the next line also follow.
Richard Amamu, Deputy General Secretary Ma Guta. Let me welcome Akosia Jewa Kodia Brisiam. Okodia na what to say?
Oh my radio.
Bibi Aboko. Na Yabo Ma Enzo Sumema na Kwaba. Yaw. Na what to say? And then there were Nima Kama. Last week that's why Nima found. See Adea Akye. Na kwabna so ne ohini minimum na shasie. Very good. Good for asemi say adwada ombetoto omo shops munya de ombepie no ebe ha dwen kakra bi say because that day no nipa bebre ne be kodwom so omo kototo niema. Em say I don't know, but are we putting too much pressure too on the government? Let's look at say gofo bebre kasa ne ade no so no. Are we also, let's look at that, are we putting too much pressure on the government? Aman, we are, now your man no the pressure kobo nonsense, because you see football, when you force somebody, he might end up playing nonsense. Yeah, my bano unnecessary pressure na, and I buy now the pressure na ban also. And I COVID no Ghana for you free mo, so if you see a free mo and answer day. I want us to look at that also in general terms. I go say our mission same free ho. Good of work. And they nipa bebre ne lazy omu boot and no ahwe napko apeketi we apeketi mame musa akosia
yo o my medasi na yenchia etiefo ema won mu nyina mo seda ne de nyina mo tie Sompa na o my de tie ne se ade ba ko areho ne se wote o my bi mu na o my no ankasa no a wote mu no o my a ye ne ye ho hwe anso ye panioma moroso wo man no a wotimuo no ye ntimi nye ade bia ebetumi aboa mo man no ankasa ye nneoma atumi agina yie saa man ne bi ne ne wo mu yi eye o man Ghana sesi ya no Ghana akwakodum pempenso bi a chese ye pa ye ho a ye hunu ya sinim de ye akwakogina nyina ye ni da so nyina akwakoye kwasi broni ene e depend wono no enti se kwasi broni dollar no enya ka se ehuri akosuru se kim no o man Ghana ye hunu amane ye ntimi nye ye bibia anya hyehye na no Bank of Ghana eye se wonu ye meeting no meeting omu ye o man ene nkoma anya kura nkemfa so ebe ye condemn to grebu ewi akire no afedi ennioma Ghana ye rate ahodro no say o musan so bia kaka wa bia ka ho
interest rate cost to 22%,
yeah de kaka ho o man ha dwene se wo bebedi dwane wo bekwa kofa nioma na nioma na 1 cedi na wachi na wo besa akwa kofa sa nioma kro no a na de 2 cedis atoso a wo man wo kra nke dwane ka beje adie anhwa wo beka sa nioma no kra mbo esu ni mfaso because wo ba wo customer beka che wo say aden na nioma na ne me ba ya mbeto no 1 cedi ade che me ba wo de foforo atoso ka me yesa wo ya bumi nanso nyabu ne ebu no wo man no anu ayetimu no ade hyehye na Ghana mpanyimfo won moye ena no na mpanyimfo a wo munim sikasemu ade ezusuye bi ba sese nke betumi a yenko China sika ahudro won mu die no wo man Ghana yenso ye no wo mu eni se adwa no na yenkeri ye ho hwe se dollar no ade ye ho to so na nya bi ade ye ho to nkrofo aman so sika so a eno so betumi ayi ana anya bia Bank of Ghana won matena se esusu sa anuoma no wo man me hunu se se tena se yie pa na se de nuoma gu nsane ani a ebetumi aboa ye ebiem made in Ghana goods no Ghana by one man home ne so wo man ne yesi made in Ghana na no man panyi krampo ka se yento Ghana nuoma enso bisa se wo ko free senior high ho no mo a Ghana nuane ne yedi ana enuane a ye kra ede ba ne yedie enuane a ye je no wo man Ghana mu enuoma a ye je no wo man Ghana mu no enye sa nuoma ne ye hu
no na ata agira be kwa
ye ntimi ni so hu
ye
ye wo man yentimi ni sa nneoma ni na
so ye fa be kwa nka ho etwini mutuo nso anse no nso ye
sister serious o serious so
na bia na we di mutuo
na no kwa ne boarding look how rise no
boarding
she ase ne be tade ana ne matode ne boarding no do ye lotus
no o de atena ho sa
Maybe CD by, maybe say Flabe.
I come up.
I go come up. I'm on down.
Food for Toto of him.
Me more than the food for Toto. Me the food for Toto. Come out. So as something in Ako we say, I go say,
Dear woman.
because imports, as long as there's and not the Biana, I am a yase. One district, one factory. Yentimiama Yamfa and near Dimpa Mong Roman Pijano Seni won't say Pija. It's a slogan, it's a policy that could have saved us from a lot of imports. Yet me cry nama ni yari 500 million Ghana cedis a year. Yamadio. Yamadia ne ayi nama no $500 million. Anything. Aye.
When you baby young,
it's who any would maybe. And Mountain have you.
Share Akuta, I tribe here.
And it's all conversation.
Share.
Beshay and Sudia.
Would you walk?
Akuta, come on.
November, the over idea now. I will.
Akuta made Jim more come.
The more you
Dubai, they are Sacramento.
appointed.
Here was your who in them who watch the one. The same time, hey, come on. My Jimmy is where come on.
That's right.
What shall COVID by a year? Ghana buying my year initiative. Oh, my boy, most much I would buy a year. A dream maybe not Ghana, yeah,
boy, Mansem. COVID work has said, or send another say, initiative we are taking off. More money, woo. Your court 2021.
Woman,
percentage.
Yes, that's the problem. And ya crown your mama, Yankasia Diana, woman, yan talk. So, and they are cocoa, they say, why none on a poultry pharmacy, she say, and cocoa no yakra or Fadam Pem near Diaba, and so one Gasadian cry yan talk. Oh, what be your shoe? Our house, you and Ghana, dear, made in Ghana. I was a made in Ghana.
What me should be now? I said, a wedding. I will say, I'll curse a cabacumi, no, and I see why. Why you go go anymore? To almost so no modernized woman near me. And one be out there. Aquabia or the chacha will be coached there, Ossiboy. Beautiful chacha. On the Metrono. Also more added flair and skill and eat to it. I don't think I made a manager TVET who know. Oh, TVET. It's a panacea. I am so near Koyanim. All right. Why is it? Mammy Tio, yeah, also Kakrana. I am a take Quabrania enough for Yambra back to other issues here.
I want a good of way as a media. Dollar needs Sidia semi nimara. Minimara se akwata finance minister wa hen Kenufreata
or comedy car check up
awo ko da be
dia yate no last week so no to kwa wa
yale awo fie no so yare ko
so de me yare pe
sama onim so se no so enedi was no so power
count you kura
wow kura adai na so ho an deputy si hwechire
bia konta don kuma no akuta se eye deputy si asemo a kenti ha se Kenufreata wo hono mo a akuta ye wo enema bi wo hono ma e demanded the signature of the senior deputies to mean sign. We see enema bi assign for.
Now there are certain questions crowd deputies can't go to parliament.
Yes, even parliament crowd say yes mon minister bi say ombrano. Me who be crowd anti bi crowd say yes deputy minister.
Maybe you can't do it.
Akwa representative.
You can't do it.
I say bia worst case scenario say bia or yarea to the extent say was sorry.
And that's why you're indisposed.
Yes, me who be that. Kenufreata any the economic management team no Adea no more ye nti se be no mo di gu akwa
no share mama interest rate 22%.
Debi akonta sa ne ma ne de on paper ni book sem ne sa ne ma ne baby ya ba be dru say no ye move away from your book no me na me busa say enye sa ye economic management team ne ye mpanimfo no mugu finance ministry ho no no enye wo mo ana wo kutakuta PhD ne ho anwan ne ade adi wo ko school no a akota me ye communication studies ye chairman crisis communication management ye chairman se asemo ba ye ni sei na wo ye ni sei kura na koduru sei ya sa fafa ha fawura ha ye ni sei entini ya catch us say
akota be antani o
akota da bi ebetani
the page say all the communication there asamba you say ye mfa edan a ye ni na dadua na we nya asemo
akota we agree ayi economic no for easy
yeah
then akota dey e na esi Ghana since ye independence 1957 situation ye nko bi muda yakoni your blueprint IMF baby omuja papers to ho do this don't do this
omuko ya na ato
tade na sesa wo IMF reporter omuba Ghana bia na omukwa
same thing
the same thing
there's a year na ye indiscipline
that's it ade na esie brusu anti yete ho saa ye hwa ase kruyi ye kosa no dollar ne nam 10 point de ndie ene yete ho ene yeka ayi breaki 80 o dollar breaki 80 o dollar
is that a breaki 10 o
sisi akọ breaki 10 ene yetu a breaki 10 yo a breaki 10 yo eko breaki 11 ne yetu a breaki 11 yo ase ise kura
no but unima there baby I o sisi aya the danger is for no good for be Christmas near the situation now no it's dark because Christmas near man on be no be here more dollars
say near man na o mo hodo so no enra wa amudi sie say e twen price no o ma re agree for better si do ma pro ni po say the down ye ko pro me no a esi me menya
kamafo de onya bi na ye jasa
DJ for ode no ma ya fa ho
na DJ for say bi o monte ye be bro mama ne
asem dia ma wo
asem ni nyina ne say enra ma me be frame immediately please let me do this omo wo aflawo border omo ntie mi pa ayi immigration for no anwano gallon no cars ni bebre omoto diesel free Côte d'Ivoire ba because it is cheap muntie mi ye na omo de gu ko 4 gallon num eto omo lodu a na yiri bo ho a wonim say eye dino and because of that no omo ton sefa no ewo border ho eti now sefa kosro pa sefa was 125 now do 150
o fa Goliath kra
eti the koso no say immigration for no omo mani nko ho anwa bia free ho ba omo fi say anwa no they should find out
yemiesu
diesel in Côte d'Ivoire is cheap now Temio diesel in Côte d'Ivoire because almost sika no ne dollar no omako adi nkunim ye de aboye fed knockout eti yes ye diesel boarding Côte d'Ivoire is cheap eti omo lodu ko 4 gallon no ana di no bo ho a onim sa anwa
so sense John do many mama time no na ye nso ye no mo de na ye de na afuniti
I don't know mo de na wasro yes eti now they are smuggling diesel to Ghana to sell at a higher price. It's a ma and one way, you know, cars no are more interested in the diesel even than and I almost turn safe no border no so. It's a man in yabi. And see, I must say for one day, 2 cobble that also see here. Say for almost 125 no a day, neko 150. See here, necrano. No, my just said necro here, but 160.
Yes,
yeah, I'll make sure. It's also immigration for so more money cool pa no more check customs for. And yes, sir, I'm on for trade diesel free Côte d'Ivoire begum.
Ghana sem de say
ya mbro pa
ne say eye bebre Ghana sem bebre prekesene udwene ho awonte ase na ko omo ye say importation say de nde ye import bebrebe no ana ama ye dollar ye sidi no enya na mo nyina so abibusa me ho say what happened to one district one factory President Nana Danko Akufo-Addo ka say ye akota say me ne wuti hei say ne Ghana ye ya adwene say ye kwako import nyema bi te say nsuo te say drinks te say ebia tissue toilet paper ne toothpick ne sa na ma na makonta me dwene ho amentiase ene ye wo ayi ye friend say tissue companies to the extent class na no metese since one prison wo mo abie a prison officers no and the prisoners na bie a tissue factory a wo ye toilet paper Ghana ya start ya ye bi ye mfa ne say okay if reach na ko esan say ye sa factories ni nti no say me se me wo taste for abrochire toilet paper me ko kraba e bia metua a higher tax a form of say bia odi detail nipa no from say yes rose dey
ebe twa to say ya rose
afa yu subahana bro
na say no kra na locally made na boa
yes after o twa won ti say enne obi timi ka say me de Ghana nsuo no mempe okokra nsuo fra bruchi fair enough say me na me wosika me na mabo bra na mfi say me wosika na Ghana nsuo mempa na say me sign zet mineral water ne hwan no ho na makwa kofa bi fra bruchi ba me kofa di fra brochire na me bedru ha bo hono a I should be made to pay higher taxes as punishment akunta we ye di asem a ye to onom say na importation gu te say Ghana ne ye tie ye cement ye me gasem jata ne ho ahwan na se ye tena ho say obi si ono no de o wosika o taste for foreign cement China cement aba o de bedu ono manya no de se ye yire no ade ne anyi mfiri nsem
be ba ne boy e day
ni tena ono say just system ni sa because of certain people be akutahwe me tena ho no mo na me hwe Boris B ma na me mobo
yes
Ghana your poultry farmers no wan
this Labianca issue say ho na kofa ba poultry issue nyina Labianca issue the way man ye ma rebate emma enipa bi no
kokofo so ye be yare ye be yare ne wuwu
na ye de na so bia ye tumi nye ne bebrebe
da be na wo man na wo je obeda ye
na fi wo mo
wo yiri ne
apostle na kama boa no apostle kwa Joseph na yi ya ye de piti aduane sui o mutimi kra no mbi
yes
no de enkum nipa e organic na nka ya ma no ahoden se de bra ka na command do na de bia papa yi ye be keka wo pe bia tonso a
Wonfi no no support o
over 2020 ayi ba afufro na covid ni baby komu no Nigeria for take initiative
yes on the moon
they blocked their borders and said say no foreign rice will enter Nigeria for 6 months bosumi nsiane wie ye no omo makuafo na hodin enti by the time omo airlifting sanema no na omama the taste of the local rice not in Nigeria for now uko importo e more eco Nigeria ni board deno to send your America to be so they enjoy their local now poultry farmer or doma one kosiabe guanomo yeah one just a year school feeding any free SHS yemfa nkosua nkoma omuni
na poultry farmers yo mugu doma na omo aye nkukoi na omugu ye se hwan fever swine flu ne dia
ba ku pe bi na ku omo sa omo pe moa obi amoa
na no omo start SNA signal bi se ebro omo pe bro omo pe hito se dia
bro ni
sogum ni sa ne ma no omo the signal se by sa na no mi usa Greek minister bene na nam ha deputy aba bene nam ha hwan no ma ba bene nam ha ekosi sakota yete ho sa ne hwe ade we na mebusa mo se economics no a eya na ye kone kokosua e wo Legon Business School KNUST Business School University of Cape Coast Business School ni ade no eya na yesua wi a book no ye to kire ana because oko develop economies to say South Africa no near the South Africa be catch us say ya tum see e ba be start na bia ya ye cars ne sa ne ma no it is a me ya bo man am see me what taste for Toyota e wo America dia me ko for the bar ho say me tia
share ho sem say me kai pa say na what hana o ka say agric minister enkongrem
yes.
Now transport minister and provide cars.
Roads minister.
Now roads minister so say obetimi ama ayemo trouble.
Yes.
Now financing provided. Yeah. The latest information I've gathered they say agric aye transport ready. They need fuel coupon. Fuel coupon. Yaw tell me. Say agric ministry and the transport are available. Fuel coupon there. Na boss na e wo no mo
akunta wo mo nko na po ho we enya asem bia wo mo nko na po no mo nko na po ho na se na po say won fa fuel no coupon na ma wo mu a wo me kan kire Ghana fe
now we do we need a fuel coupon
na akunta asem we
the same government
akunta asem we e was agric minister and transport minister be ka kire Ghana fo na no you chief of staff. Now let me say chief of staff at your day. A chief of staff of the Republic of Ghana at one more your day. Sa coordination is our synergy way. And I'm supposed to be doing it. Or say or no also it should be done. Now no Greek minister better na say and the deputy better na no ka say I o ma dwene ho say o mo be start o mo say nuane ni bia bubu e wo nkrase ni binti o mo ene other ministers ba be committee na say oh Awurade we ehia committee. We here committee straight away chief of staff issue an executive adhere to ministers in Gina. Now no galamse by nyom no me interministerial the galamse ikuzi say. And I want some more.
I so kana mi tia ina me hu say doctor out ewa hanomo na ne jotwe nkomo.
Me da so man mani ba Japan no pe wada ro ma ye me mo akakra bi wa ha sei say ma asemo a me be ka no. Senka obenya picture we dia to so ma me anka mani ba giye pa. Ghana ba bi o man no ya beduru no. Ene said the pressure isi ba o man no so no. Esuban ti se ka ya wo de beto so ma me.
Ai
kamani na enye ma asem no tia
Aki
mame.
Aki mame
ke be ye me de pa.
Mame trotro na ye de ahoma bone.
O man no hu say
na yi nim no why Aki.
Ya ka kire Ghana for say eni.
Trotro na
say na Ghana Yesuban city. O man ka na ekọ na ye ma hu. Kokọ no ka kokọ no na make ho.
It will come back.
Yes.
Kokọ na ekọ. Omode duster.
We. Enipa gumu aye ma na ka na bi say ya na di nipa ekọ. Ka registration number AW8472.
Duster.
Yes. Enipa ye ma na gu kanum. And
again nothing or the that's
and although and I make say nipa take care nipa no so am take care mu no e
aproti fo no so nyina kwa
nipa no so am take care mu no e
urade nya
o man so wo hu ade nipa no so am take care mu no e wo de mfa no say police ni kura anche car no
na nipa no so am take care mu
so e ye nipa no ye te o man mu no o man hene ye be ka sikasem nkontabuo economic terms ye suba te sen o man ye suba Ghana ni ye suba te sen
enye
hwe ya ye adwuma bosome Zoom line 1.8 yentua
16 months
yentua yo yesuba te sen ye wi a akufo do pressure be ba no so because we nipa pressure be ba no so if say we nipa what you senti car ye ekoi sa na Ghana for yesuba sete o man ye beduru mu no yesuba nyina ye sa amonche emfa hu say de obesi package no wo tele pampa otum say amonche Ghana kopem say o man ni mu nipa ma hene me ena wo ana wo ene me ye be sesan Yesuba na abo aban no very simple o man hwe say makoto phone we 30 cedis o man say wo phone no na ka tell me say kwabena wo phone keto e de me pe o me so for 2.5 beje me ton 30 cedis o me wi a me sa nipa no ama bejan say akufo ado wonye den dia pa na akufo ado wonye yen
esa yensu yesu ne e ban
Yesuba te san o man Yesuba pa ye de to o man mu no wo de hwe say wo pese wo hunu say obi bu ni nua pa o man Omo aya omo free nkurase no bakumase be fa ne ma koton no
maso
me say oba kumase a ebi ade ne boa ye dene no ebi ye 50 cedis wo ya de kwa kurase ho a e fi 300 Ghana cedis eko no de ko je baile na o hene ne mu krom abu ho no koso abene ko head o mo de je
ba ku 30
Omanhene kone kwa de omodeje Akufo-Addo onye den Akufo-Addo Omanhene wo de yenka Akufo-Addo ze onye den yo mu so ye nyina ye pani onye den bambo mu nsam ye save onye den I want say ya dwen na ye de dwene bu aban no I want say ye dwene asa Ghana ye wura fie ho sa ase ye dwene bi sei ana de me ka no ntima ase ase ye wura ye fie ho sa ase de ye dwene bi sei Omanhene obi antima ye ne ye ma ye o ti ya ye package ye ho ye a Omanhene amonche betima so ufra no pakọ ka nwumere one package ni obi anto we have to package our blame ye ya adwene no ho adwuma ni enya ya sisie enne wokotena obi fi a o pe wabu nti eda no wonfa ma we 3 years da 2 years what did you yes afena wo yira wo say ya
Emranti Abazi say one major issue in Ghana today
enti unya sika o ma he de obeye ne say wo de be fro trotro na wo de aka didi enti ma me frɛ kura na pressure aba wo so you have no option than say this zeros no be beka ho no abokro no wadwuma ne ayi wadi ye wi a ne de akose bayifo so ne ye ne pressure no wo system no.
All right. Only mami tell tiawa na fe ye ne Dr. Dino
Friday Sompa komo
Dr. Kings for the
side. Nenche cry ye program bi driver ni bi ko fa o baby ko wi ase na im se oba no onye nipa. Tie ye story ni wie ye no obi so de ne de aba esibo hyen ya. O my meeting audio me kwa modem na misuro. Ti a driver for bi no asebe me de be wo no. O me very careful nti Friday na ye besu ade bi o my credit so name so also me ti o my metimi awode me battle e se me fa edubu achi no nye se me fa ya wo no obi wo wa de ne betu obi ni ama na fa ne credit no aka ho no no ni din e wo no kwaku no
ye ja no
bi won so anu na ne hyebre ye den
e wo okay
ja me nipa bebra bra boy den a change nti e bi sua credit so ni apostle general mo so say bebe nti ye nhia na ye nsua de wo so mpankom so man se de kwabaka sie ka no baby a oman no yaduru no yakogina nkwantanan so ye hunu se ye kok ata na se ye kokwaku aban no woni chefan se wo ye eno na ye mu bi kasa se papa kanofori ata baby a waduru no se nkana na kufa do betie yen a onfa ni nyina baby na nka mogya mono mra akopre no montrase kwaku agima manu no so mesin kodoma ho enko home wonu ma bre na nka mrantie ni bi nye den emra but ase wo kan chinchine twan unya president ni bi da se said ya akane me papa Excellency John Dramani Mahama kan no unya bi da nti wo kan nya de wo kan na omutie ya wo masisi nsamafo samboard ya wunsu ya man na omutie afutuo kakra na yenso timamufo no yenya ya famu die mfam waban no eno ne nukuredie na azaa eni bukata edoso Ghana e kamia so bia sole ano pa openi nu yabu no Bible so sole ya usia tontroni ani ni dwanti no obie peni nua na wabu no na wonde ode anya sika na akwa akodi ye ntro mamu saa na mede wie no ya papa Japan sian zoom lion fo tio mka se baby na ese sika ni free ba na ma ya o man ya dwuma no mayen sa panso no omutua na maame fo ni sunu na ye duabo Tikwasi Adodi Kenzo afa no wedi na asem ne yanka bi.
Oh, Adodi ya be ka won later. Ma be jabo. Yeah, why he the other so Avesa. Yeah, Dr. Kings for Asari now what to say?
Obadi adum bibia boko.
So the first clinic for. Na no pay e fan out there fa. But him say mo I can say Monkrabata doso ayare no free tri so bepem na ase ni nyina ye hwe nti but sciatica ne de obi age atom eti na hefa poti na de agina
medasi oman ni di kan me de enchema Sompa TV afefo ne Sompa FM etifo nyina na 21st clinic oboye dia ya na sciatica na eba obi atimi na so enye sciatica no nkwa na ye hwe ewo ya so enti oman obisa ne pese ne etifo eche ade kakra na se yesu ade efa condition ba ko a high pa eye common mpempi no nipa pi ana se nipa bebre ye experience bi e kan se TIA, a transient ischemic attack.
Asemeni.
Transient ischemic attack. Enti TIA na say ye tre mini stroke. Sena atifo binya ni yipa na ka mini stroke. Ye nipadua no ya na yakoma na boa na epompe mojan emayen. Akoma no pompe mojan na e wo se mojan na akoma na pompe no ekwa ebi etime duru adwenum na adwene nso atimi aboayen because your brain no ana say your adwene wo yemu no e control your speech eboa ma yetimi ekasa nti o man say me no di nkomo yi meka bribi a obeti ana say meka bribi a obetimi a process ma me feedback no your brain nti say wona o hwe TV no so no hwe a picture of the brain na ye dey ato no
adwene no
sir nti akoma no pompe moja wo say bi ko na edru adwene na say ba say ekọ na se bribi esi ne kwan na se ntime nuru adwene mu yi a that is temporal blockage bi eba mpempi ne blockage aya na eba na ye kan say cholesterol plaques say plaques na build e wo yen walls of the arteries no mu a eba sa moja
cholesterol
yes
one say Ghana for ye mu cholesterol
ye bu ye ni gu so
ba edi enya pa cholesterol no na ye fe na sade no
mpempi ne ya na
sad edin o mo de man say
yes senator for benya ne ye ni e kan say sad
na akowurawura wontri nim te ma moja ne ntimi ne afusane se ne edi to aso
enti e basa sometimes e obi wo ha obehu say ne nianchi ebetimi awoso ana se ne nianchi ebepopo saa ne nianchi epo a wo ha na aba na no soro ho enti
na aso ha woso bi
good ase na no soro no ewoso kakra sometimes etima obi ha ohu say ase nanim fa ana se nanim one side ase a drift downward ase ewoso na sometimes onya severe pain pa e woni ti no one side e ba sa anya yeti ni nyina na ya na epayen yeti no one side say hwe wona wo hwe TV no ye hwe picture eda TV so who say
ajo mo amo hwe ye no obetima join on Facebook na wanya a clearer view of what doctor is talking about. It's important.
You share your brain now. You divide it into sessions, and I say into hemispheres. Left and the right hemisphere. But be able to control your speech no, and I actually frontal lobe. I walk anymore no. Into 1 hour here TV and Facebook live no. Ebe hu ewoso. Into se ba se adwen no moja na pompe na se brain no. Enya nyanka wa se enya iya eho no be hu se odwen a ye utifa be sha se apayo utina payo no be hu se ewo ho a ofa etimi eye oduru kakra sometimes etima severe numbness
na onsa na etitiri
onsa one side ebe
na ase enka no ho
yes these symptoms no eye ne api yeta experience na ba sa enye se stroke na ba na mum ebo ye nka ye se in the near future major stroke ebetimi ayeden aba sometimes etimi ma ye mu bi e ha ye hu say ye fa anase ye nipadua no one side aye ye nduduru sometimes or man ensa no so otimi nya severe pain otimi e man ensa no so ye mpempi ne ya na se eba na se kan ye left side na ya na very dangerous pa I say
Arlington left side no say eba side dangerous
o my me da say yakuma na say ye hwa yemboso na atot anase akọ yembenkum good
anti says numbness no eba wo bonkum a
I will say pay severe anase much attention to it pa
yes na just say stroke no body a na say ba untimi sorry bio no
eba one thing is say stroke no ba ya na ye wade ba kan can say fast approach first approach ni say if ni gina ma yen face ni yen hu symptoms bia wo yen face na yen nimne sesa o say tu ho anamon yen arm no so hu say ahase e conform na say e drifted down so say tu ho anamon tem na yen speech s no e sha say
o kasa nseda nkoye
ase o teacher man one side ayo dru kakra aye sledge na wo say basa so utu na teenage chaton time na you be 200 makon
timing is crucial
yes
you find a fast approach wow that's
lovely sebasa na you adapted this fast approach na say stroke no ba it me contem e because a stroke ba enko yentimi nsa one thing is a 21st clinic oba ya so ya apart from sciatica ye hwe no stroke ye one conditioner o de ba ye wo gidie ne anida so say oho betimi ato kama so
pacho woni ese wo ya de oho ba no tofia kwa kacha me say doctor no a bad stroke Ghana say omo ese omo abin stroke ma branch or two way say fast approach no kind say auto form ene na mama na ni be 1 year bi na mo de ne bre no obesaya de but what these are no stroke no Doctor Twaso.
Enti say say ye nya these symptoms biasa na che say tia you know e boy enka say ye hwe ye say major stroke emma ya brabom in the near future. Ye hwe enema kakra etima this tia ya na say transient ischemic attack etimi eba. Ne di kan ye mu bi o ha ye weight na ekosoro bebra say weight kosoro e put you at a higher risk of developing high blood pressure. Omuye du bro so bebra.
Na pacho emuduro no ne kese no.
Okay.
Also bi ha by nature na busuam omo larger bones, larger muscles. Enti bi a obo hunu no oson. Family ni nyina sa no mote enso bi obi anya stroke da. E na obi also a wadidi aye totwe. Ni mu edu. To hwe no omo friend say mass wan
body mass
index na. Ne tenten ne kese no nko. Where do you say nipa no why kese dodo ti why obese?
Okay. Ama me da say ne di kan na ya na se na wokan ye wo ade kan say body mass index in BMI no ye wo ranges ewum 18.5 up to 24.9 and ye the normal range I was say obia ni weight o de o tenten and umudro no e compare that is weight over height in meters square you bet me check na 24.9 18.5 to 24.9 ye normal but say bro 25 ekwa kodru say 29.9 eba say ka say o den aye overweight that is umudru na abroso nemum unyanya obese.
Okay.
Nemum say drew from 30 to 34.9 say obesity grade 1 aba.
Okay.
Na 35
all the old
39.9
so what did them?
Yes. Na mpempi na ya na nema man ba say ye didie e wom say your family history e wo ho o man say yebusiam no kese wo mu a yankasa yetimi regulate nya se ye nidi ye bedidi na mu ma wo se ye nuane die mu no fruit and vegetables ye mo e wo.
Okay.
Ye di fruit and vegetables no ma eboa
ma bo aje de aduane kra wo ni bi no wadi
eboa ma ye nipadua no yetimi digest enuane a ye di no ema sometimes even waste product bia hu hia no yetimi excretima epie free ye mu basa eboa ye nipadua no pa. Inti yemudru ekoso bebetima yan risk of developing diabetes and hypertension.
Okay.
On the other hand, so ebi na high blood cholesterol and wo that's a high cholesterol in the body. Yan cholesterol level so kosra itima yan chance of developing the TIA. Later itima yan stroke no ebi.
Okay.
Yan age ekọ animu a ema yan arteries no so ebe narrow and as itimi eye weak. Eba sa plaques and as cholesterol plaques no so timi ebuild ewum. Enti se betimi ahwe yan hu ye nidi ye physical activity na se ye ntete yapom. World Health Organization recommends at least anka nipa biara ubenya no want mikra na watch bia uyi 3 times in a week esi ho at least 30 minutes in a day na de attention yapom na se ye de nanti normal brisk walking na se jogging kra na ebasa eboa ye nipa biara
we de best mabusa Dr. Adama ebi mo se obo bia na dwuma no ntimi ma na nye ayi training in exercise no.
Okay.
Na bia waware a sex so exercise.
Men ka se sex exercise a eboyen a form of exercise ni bia because sometimes the way and the other ways
stars are being
ni na ti man yes but eno enye enough for us.
Nti men fe no nkoye
dey be cry.
Obu on man on Monday to Friday.
No one
no sweat. That should not be the basis for the exercise now. Yes. Brisk walking or jogging for 30 minutes. Yes. And skipping normally any other aerobics no. Yes. That is the best option.
Yes, please.
Oh, okay. Okay. The exercise.
21st clinic say obaya so enye this TIA ya kan ho asem nkwa na ye hwe e wo ya so e obi a ojonso intentem obi a prostate and I have say prostate no how about etima ye nsisi yenya sometimes yenya burning sensation we sisi mu obi a sometimes ukokete so otimi jonso about 6 to 10 times e ba sa untimi enna yie na wantimi anna yie nso a etima nso pi eba nipadua no eso sometimes emu bi o na ye sugar level na ye kosoro say sugar level kosoro a o say hu enuana obedi e beboa na apart from say yema medication ye sign e kire we always empower our clients because ochire obi bribia ebasa no onya control over him or herself.
Okay.
Enti oba apart from medication dem yɛsan ɛkyerɛw sɛ o condition na sɛ o yare a wanya no we anyway na ama na ba twe ho free we anyway ɛho na bɛboa ma watimi atena ase akyerɛ.
Okay, all right. And the 21st clinic there, sciatica no, ya no monka because sɛ ofiri wo to ase ekopem wonantini entini na esa ho na etwe no wontimi fa be so ma ye de Mike Tyson beba o or American what is which yes sciatica problem te just ye de bread doctor na mo hwe no mai ye were 18 branches and counting what the answer obe pusu ahoma no 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 uko PM ewa ehwa Alpha Radio nchen hwa oboase so obehuyen wo baby e wo on ma cancel cortes temakaso atakwa sunyan goso wanchi brekum tachiman takrade East Legon. That is the ultra modern research center e bie kra amanfo free African countries ahodo eba training koforidi ankoko nkranza dome seshidabi so de seshijabo. These places 21st clinic sebra na ye ma wa yare hwe stronko doctor na it say awo hwande
pacha it say ma ba hwan
enti
ya ne ja kumazifo kakra
I bi hu se wa dwane ti wa ba kakra ti o mumra ai ti o temi ubusuandi e wo stroke ana symptoms are doctor kan wa hu say niam bi won ma emoa tutumrika ko ehwa overseas ehwa Alpha Radio chen hwa eno anu no na wosne na bibia eda so ma Dr. Sabe na oketwa to
ye me betwa to ma tifo ni se yehu wo ye nipadam se ye nenchi epopopopo ya no ewo so ye mfa ye ndra o se etu anamon de kwa yaresabia na mpo se ni ye nipadua no se yehu symptoms bi ewo nipadua no mu na se ye no me no bi mu a o se ye hwese symptoms a enya no eye den na amanaba yehu the root cause ansa enobi ade bekoye mu no yetime da ko because ya kase se wanti ni pedona se a onti ayaresa se onu medro na se onya hu yare no kofa ba etima nsusan so pi emba oni pedons because and kidney problems aiba pi no eye enobi a ebi eno aba condition craba pain na ye no me no sa enti yen kwa yaresa ba wabra ye hu symptoms bi we ni pedon wabra ye nte ase ye no 21st can go back condition bi an so ye be treat na ye treat no ye refer to the appropriate place and as a appropriate facility ye number na 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 oba yaso yen so a ye was special discount especially when I would tie Sompa oba yaso yen no.
Wow, doctor yadase baba besra dako why okay kwesi ade odike yera samfo kantanka historian o menhia na wo say odike no na say that stage is ade na see no to make it look say obetimi accord to public sympathy yera kantanka me mo achi o
mejo sebu
ejana sama mukai etwetwe aso kakra se mujidi se odike no an wo se da koye bibi se de beya obenya public sympathy to say de ase menhia for na etata no na nipa bi na epe no denti na mukasa munyina so no se wadama
yo adedika no menhia enka asembia sa na menhia nso ensuma obia se o meka asembia sa me na make
okay
na you say me no so American me wo experience was ade no mu na make Jerika no emebi company Rollins tuta say e friend say before no ma organize am robbers am ya panic fee am ya betutu ya ba obi fee ne bodyguard ifi akotutu acho mete ya mehwe no ba kumbi no kana mbeto newspaper mo say enya no kure stage komu na no kure me chono kokuba ko paper mo mama de editorial na me hwe ba kumbi no a me hu say stage
ebio ayi tornado be calm maybe say what in the kamu na ayi
obi abonaso
obi bonaso me tia mama attention so na me ka say stage na stage ayi ofia ono sorry ka say your friend say obi akwashi obi ka e won garage na oma enipa na oshi okoshi okobo real garage na okwo na otrusi ho yeso no na kire say party bi na abesa obi yesa na ma na emra wakofa asma ba e busa na ho nsam nti no ene sansem no okofa bewura mu a yesa yebeko ayi agina ansa na ebuya no kure baako kura ana se obi de saa de no ba na the radio station busa no questions say the moya lawyers no ma no kunchire no ankasa mo be wie no na da bonten say yo kan obwa na eni ko ase ekoye say obi de national radio station nti ye ka wode ba ya on osio na ya every busa no questions pa mana ho shishino mana ho se mo amoti ho no mo nye sebi anyado o given famonye enkwa enji obia mo sha odike bibia nye o yeti ya nze o se ngofo tata eyi odike kro ya mrebi ebe da bentie mienu ni kana ka eyi ba ese ngofo ebi akọ attack me man ka wasem chese but me who say asem recycling of near maybe or SN and yeah samri ya asem abeto honu ya media me na America James man.
Okay, Eraza Kanta Kameda Osipa is a historian. The latest information I know the way they are able to media to say from Menshia Palace has ordered Edumakasi Kesehine, the chief of Odike's hometown, to look for Odike's family to appear before the chiefs on Thursday. Say Odike busia for while the Edumakasi Keseno. Ya wada omu hia busia pani ne busia fo ni nyina wa hia. Ha. Akugan. Not to say,
Papa.
Bibi Aboko. Master Muk Asante region brutal.
I'm say a form so ye.
A former year,
pa.
Mobile.
A former year, papa.
Who can say former year? A high MPP stronghold. A former years, I say.
Oh,
Mike no cough from good one.
I say, expectation. Ewo baby ano ya na esronko expectation a mehwehwe ewo voter region menhwehwe sa expectation no ewo central region
okay
sa so na menhwehwe sa expectation no ewo Ashanti region but the way things are now
mobile no
we may go beyond our expectations
for this time around. You will jump the Rubicon.
I am telling you.
Some will bet me about 30% crying above.
I think it must be our minimum.
Your minimum?
Yes.
Back room, Hano.
I'm telling you.
It's not just a new membership drive, no.
Akoye pa.
I'm for register.
Me say, edi kind of because you boy room de dano. Mami fa kwenya we na minchi asante man.
Okay.
Na minchi obibia woti Sompa. NDC for Amowo Ashanti region. Say mekuta region ni mu ye. Them say aka eneme bia esese ya bone po na etubi edimu. Na masanso echia edwadifo. Say ya ka say Asante memu a edwadie eye bibia ehunu ya. Na mente konkonsanse mi a mebeti ewo studio yi. Ma mente konkonsa enese konkonsa na media nesa. Miduri na say news team no. Kasa efa happenings in the economy in Ghana and Adea. Na say bako ka say the necessary nanado eye
I humbly want to disagree without assertion. Abra, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ete ekonyaso no. Na the same Ghana for na ye ni omo ebu man no.
That's right.
Inti bibia ensesa ye. Se ye ka se enam ebe pro a e profri ne ti.
Correct.
Because me realize say or ka se na another then obey no at another breath or ka say finance minister abre inti ensesa no yemma wemrem yembre na patre say bibi ebesi bia no president e wo bibi eye e wo ho. It doesn't just happen. For instance, IMF ayakoi anke say dwedini bia no emma no ahotoso se bibi e ba besesa into obi anka ohode dollar anka obejai, because the moment your friend is saying policy direction changes,
becomes speculative.
It becomes speculative. But at this point, yaji atumu say yeko IMF asomai. Now still dollar etumrika say me free and crying eba a journey of 4 hours. Me free and crying na dollar a 9.5. 4 hours time me bedu Kumasi na a $10.
A 10.
Yes. That should tell you the speed echo. Na patch say GDA bi any system nim. Sa GDA no, because this rates and all those things so speculative as you said. Yeah. Because me who say me babekra and near car Christmas would importations good tabeye a lot of importation because of Christmas. Because obuabuan who say manche ye na se ekopiem September October dollar may go at a 10.10 and nuntino mamin pengu hosesia senebia me kwa kra eniema me ho enchireme. But if we are negotiating with IMF and sisanka nipa bi enya sa adweno, but a patch say nobody is trusting, no businessman, I should say first, no businessman is trusting what Nana Rudankwa Akufo-Addo says. Now no patch say policy bi no, nobody will see it as a serious measure. Inti ebesre, let's always say it as it is. Nipa ya yese insuo. Insuo eni nine. Insuo eni etre. Etwakura wudi be shame no. Enu ne be take sa form.
Be take shape.
Sa no nipa yete. Se odi nipa anase odi insuo ehye deep freezer mu. Na wo yi sa insuo na ebeye block. Se odi eja ehye sa insuo na akasa so ase a ebeye vapor. Wo hwie gu fam so a enu ankasa etene epe ne kwan sana nipa tie enu nti na udru baabi ti se me dru Sompa mu studio yi me fe me twitwa me ni sa you understand into how neat this place is mean to me enum pure water po enfranto form me ferry but obetumi edru baabi ohwe bola edru ho na now the odi so iden aka ho. That is the way human beings are. Obi betumi afie kurase tu befu plane odu America no hwa otumo se medru baby foforo make me one for me to me anyway. Look at driving situation away. It is the same people, the same for the same subai, but the way you be handle no and no and the confidence about and no maybe.
So you think this people have lost confidence in this economy?
They have lost confidence in this economy. Now economy I mean no kasa economy no your rating C minus. Na patra say yes so tibako say pepe corona bo. So that is the edge on which we are. From Kwame Nkrumah Breso, we have never sunk this low before. We have Kumasi baby sebe me pe NDC atade especially me ba Kumasi. I have been here for a week. Everything I wear is NDC. Prior to 2016, I did the same thing. Traffic mu, nankrofo boka mu, akromfo, ewi, yebe tumo. I kept my composure, driving through Kumasi. the next time you do the same thing, you get the same feedback. And then me say NDC atade.
Man for say mamu bi.
Me say obi romi de our traffic mu. The same people, the same region, but things has changed. Hwe near corner say no crane say me say me maame eye MPP ni obi a onni me no me fritano dumase mampon kwaso me busua 70% I can say on authority eye MPP for and ye shia o ma no dwom because obi be catch us say me de ye de twa mefu me dem enya kra na me rezi bibia say hey kwano tum wono no yenkwa na enya de na patch say even admitting say eniema enko yi no eye a first point kane untumi enye we under president Kofo Abreso under running so no ye hu say na esifa etie enti bibi say ya no hu say asay and asanteman are admitting ye giatum say bibia ye wo sisi ya no enko yi president Kofo kan bibi o say she was sitting na to papa sabe abuo bia didi ko bebia na so ebedwe no correct menua baako oka kyerem say MPP pa de odi me hwam ho because NDC time ye nim say me MPP ni me kwa kopa adwuma ye ma me adwuma ye tua me ka na me de sika ne bi abe sponsor MPP enne me party aba no adwuma egu enso so to me nya kokoduro hwe manim ka kyerem say meto ma NDC ne so me dem enam se nya obewu so to ama nsesa aba na se no ntumi nya nsevi wankasa wo company wankasa wo adwuma wo ya ene obewu but me fa edum Ketia it told me a different story and working in my NDC attire minya hope. So with a lot of effort in Ashanti region, the story will change. Mesre so your party in 4 the branch elections and as a registration no ashamonsa no. Sebe ma yenye esi akwan e won krofo abrebom. Madam for justice yeboa ono meme wo kwada so. Ono so another constituency a oye adwuma. One branch women organizer MPP ni bi ba say oba be register. O say mo register mami pa dia me free NDC mu. Na sebe impenifo sen samafo kra pe omododo
na
nyati asefo aden ya mami we 2016 campaign edidi atemo didi yen me mpene mani me join ni nam se sanka yenko a yebetumi win elections anka yati aben mu esese obi ebeka ye ho ansa na yetumi win elections make an say so no na branch executive so me sremo say registration na ye ebinum ede omo ankasa omo pesem nkuminya obi pese o maintain branch chairman branch secretary branch treasurer any 9 positions no o pese o maintain ankanya bone wodu obusuafo kra na egum no me NDC for ankanya bone you understand but ompene amobi metro ni din because eduru ho say ye ba beto aba na bia saafo na bia because na dwuma enko yi ni atweti anu to mpese nkrofo ebeye se obi ko baako we mia ma no okọ mienu no we mbia ma no a sabin producer no waye esi akwan e wo ho obeka se ne mo mfa mo party e bia na sai nipa kro no oye ndisi ni mapa ba osuban ne bibia wo ye nti no akwakọ se obi susu anto aba wato etia nti bia ontumi ntoma MPP de na nso so ohu abufuo nti no ompie kra emeto aba so some of these things no esese yehwe ni yie na konkonsa na migusu edie on se ofre friend say openi baako a ofri menhia but ade baako ye mede ne se o ka se menhia ansoma no enu ne ma metumi e kan bie sanka menhia na asoma no de anka beka ma no atumpa me kwa kosi se adeɛ no si anase nsi wokɔ patase mpɔtamu hɔ me na me yɛ adwuma wɔ your friend is saying, "Some kind of so it's a close place." And
the issue, the way it is now, and the Menchia's involvement, inviting the family, let's put it aside.
Inviting the family, cry there.
No, what I'm saying is the issue, because the attack, exactly. Putting aside now. Let's deal with our issues today.
I appreciate that. Me agree.
Why?
But sometimes they make Mr. Khan say, police won't. Were ways of doing their investigations and doing everything.
That's right.
BBC, young tree abuase in accusing people. Say, Sebin Predia, Nipa na shada ye anase bibia etesa. When you create that impression now, and my who say, any obia betuma bibi ope Ghana bia afanu hu edi. Some of these things, unse na all cano na or the kwako politics mukaka, and then the mamekasa. Obia Tony Edu, ye ni so ewo traffic mu. Ene, wote ha kase, obi a stage say, ye monasum, papa at that age, ye monasum, na onke ya asem enkase bia, MPP. Me, as an individual, sena me ka no, me drew kumase aman Crawford, omusa, abu bombe kamu, proud to 2016 because it is a branded NDC car, and I say, me ankasa na me share, me NDC atadie. People have used words, but things are
the very same people are calling on you.
Exactly. And not to make us say BBC, my impentem emwa asemno medase.
All right. Mami call Chem Honomo. Former member of Parliament for Bantama, Chama Boakye. Now I'm to say. Taho. Yeah, Boakye.
I share November no. Dr. Prince wedding. That's right. That's right.
Okay.
I'm very impressed.
Thank you.
Very, very impressed.
Thank you.
I was soon to say you want to be a video.
Utie Akogana, straightforward. Things have changed in Ashanti region. And Niema Sunday is now share economy no near dia. Which any Niema common dia. Not just say 2024 dear. It's like get ready and get packing.
I think say Edika Vetcha motif na Yamamu Sompa. Congratulations, the me who no me pay. Na me friend in chance maminia. And the union mendisi former ba Santimamo Bay Jumana Chamo. Alternative no a year. Opposition no you could in terms of say Musubayromo. Now muso abua because you know how money all. But say move fast and Timano the Mecachan say they should hasten slowly.
Why?
Hasten slowly. They are 2 years away from the election. So because a Juman was say what Jumayana meboa. Omanhene Yaw movie as atesimuno. Ye betie sim dendendre. Ye be cancel no said this city. In Trankuntumpo. Omanhene sebe producer. The Obama want many now. Many now a crown of time. It doesn't make you potent.
So the Obama.
1 minute now, what you said. 1 minute now.
Oh, no, we are.
Many we are wasn't it? A
ex-husband, they say.
A crown of team. A
crown when you're fair.
When you're fair. It doesn't make you potent.
Ah, okay.
Sebi, say MPP crown po into minion ya. Said the Pelona. It doesn't make NDC competent. Their incompetence remains. Any mumuda. And you know, se mekase jumani wa yenkuntumpo. Mekase munya dina. Omanhene yenkuntumpo emwaye din. Emwaye din na menu ya wakasa pa anti mepese. Me momu ya we se omunye very very careful. Eye, amanfo okoye ne empese waswa. Ye bantu mahaya. Because yekoye primaries we na ye primaries cry say and say
delegates conference.
Yeah, conference a bit titimika ko register with NDC. Minya akwanya kakra ne bi share na budem say truly speaking. Mumi en kan kre. Mo betumi ahwe MPP pa akoto ma NDC. Meni mi ensa ne ishia yo. Unu masema kai o say anabo the kronya mienu. Ye bofu and so yen toma NDC and no so nche say ebiebufuo no
tell both on to NDC almost want to mamu
entino akase ho ne bekasa menu ye kasa wakasa mbi so obi anto aba na ma wa no anto am watotia the senti ye wadwuma ye se kase ni adwuma ya ye twa nkontompo me metra ha me defend economy no se eya na enya na emu aye den na se ye nya ntoboase asifom ene Ghana fo kasa acheche ne mama Omanhene I think say be dia ma yen no this for because we mabu man bi da etimi make say okay e bia na wanya vibes no but from now to the next 2 years no it's a long time enti bia o munyim ho ba yes so ye wadwuma ye MPP4
na dia na wo chirim
Omanhene bibia esi bia betimi achirim bibia esi bia okay can say me for your friend say economy Omanhene economy ni mo yedin papa it's just say uni america 2M express
2M express
can be how me toya about almost 3 or 4 back from January till now exchange rate no I increase by about almost 1.5 billion old Ghana cedis
o basis no
so tono be 400,000 I could do be 550,000 because of exchange rate enye se bia ekotie NDC for business ekotie ye nyina as oman enti se obi obekwa ko gina baabi aka se emunye den no na oye sebe otwa nkontompo emunye den ba enye ade a sebe MPP per se ena de bae e wiase ne moye den ene ahomachin be 4am na me hwe Agizera UK ko hwe various groups are eco strike maybe na oka or say a man for piggy here and there various groups train for we union for united the union workers in UK inflation 40 years high 10% in UK obiesu nti enye bia Ghana ye Ireland na Ghana ye Ireland and we are not Ireland and Omanhene a very very difficult pa and na me nua na kasa na me twetwe no twetwe na bebe and me catch say so no correct umuba umbetime nya say you know but Omanhene dey ba compensate kan nyina ya hye so about a decision election has consequences na oto aba e wunsunsaso 2008 ana correct 2008 senka yetimi nya akonya etoa so wo MPP so a nkanya ne se bia nka be fa na da form sa no e bia ne yakoyo crossroads we are
but the NDC disagrees with you sir. You came to power through lies. You told Ghanaians sweet jargons and sweet slogans what you would do. NMA NDC for who year Ghana for who Sebio. I'm using this word advisedly. Say a whole time omo but mubai moniema maye nyina ma omampeni John Dramani Mahama na otie dwaso amoso incompetent. You have made a saint out of him.
And then correct.
How do you respond to that?
And I'm the say NDC for cancer. And then correct. The interior correct say under NDC Omanhene emoye din Ghana samre. But any me hwe kra kan yesiso.
Kania.
Yeni hwe kra no. Kan yesiso. Yeni hwe kra no. Sabis ene kra ye kase na moye newspaper review na moye commentary no. Na mo kase ene ko bank kra be borrow around 35%, which is true. Na COVID mayo under NDC na me borrow at 35%. Na COVID mayo.
Oh, okay.
NDC abana mu ankasa eko UBA bank e yusu Ghana Fosika road fund eko leverage ko sia wo wabo bosia from UAE sa bank no UBA at the rate of 32%. Na COVID my na Russia Ukraine war my
okay.
What did they say? Enti no dia na person kire enti ahokyere na aba no enye ni nyina na ye sebi government mismanagement. There's a clear difference. We know external factors no play more role than the internal factors. Now even internal numpo internal courses nneɛma ama ahokyerɛ a yɛfam so man no ɛdɔso mpo sɛ wotwim kakra bɛtumi aka sɛ ɛmu bi gyina nuanom ndc foɔ so
after 6 years
dabi Omanhene ɛnyɛ after 6 years ɛdeɛ bɛ na si last year budget
ayi
minimum yenu
levy
yes Omanhene minimum yenu ana yɛhyehyɛ ɔman ɛsɛ nkɔtena parliament wɔ ha mɛsome wɔ ha yɛto aba wie yɛawene ɛde yɛmfa sɛ almost equal house numbers yɛkɔtena hɔ mo sɛ yɛnte aseɛ wɔn approve budget no wɔte aseɛ but ne revenue mehyɛ a wɔde akɔyɛ anamontuo no wɔsɛ wɔnte aseɛ nti yɛ investors ɛna ɛde sika bɛgu Ghana monkɔtena fie kɛseɛ mu sɛbɛsɛbɛ members of parliament na mo make a decision na montumi approve the revenue measures ɛmfa support to government plans mo sɛ dabi speaker konwa ne yɛyɛ firi hɔ blows near to parliament na me as investor broni a mademi sika bɛgu ma mu na me gyina me hwɛ na yi me sika akɔ treasury bill no sɛ 3 months ne su edru ana 6 months ne dru a mɛkɔ enti wuje baabi a bɛka sɛ abano na mu ɔma ne ye but behavior mu display no parliament no house of records baabi a make a decision no Omanhene mote hɔ na moko enti me investor na me gyina me fa me sika mra dabi me yakɔ na me yakɔ no hwan na de bɛba ha yilevi ma ye campaign tia yilevi wa wo si aban mo moro wo so akɔpɛ internal money so wo se omboa campaign tia yilevi na sɛbɛ mpaduasa konfo boni o kase kurunsa ya otimbio enti no even internal courses no mpo inuanam ndc for woman support to aban no especially at a time as a more responsible opposition enti me fi say abatwo won sunsuaso enti Ghana for say ye very very careful Omanhene I'm telling you and yes say bia na ye enti ma yenuanam ndc for trasen ka say sebe de ya na ye namu no ntino emo be ye profit and I say mo be ye competent all of a sudden dabi enchechiremu ene ewom na I'm very glad say yeah MPP your friend say your national level and society started there eba JFK and chama eba they can bring Ashanti region back no matter what it is and ye besi form so akasa me ankasa Omanhene many communication directors bekasa met me communication team region by region we discuss the economy region by region, district by district.
And you think when you discuss the economy, you stand tall as against NDC?
Omanhene, what you do, no, say you tell the truth. For instance, even IMF Mpayekwe, there's a difference. But I call IMF because of mismanagement.
And the NDC does not say. They said they went to IMF with a homegrown policy.
Omanhene,
for
what kind
policy credibility?
What kind of literature now? When you read the literature, it's because of mismanagement. Until NDC koi. Okay, so any animal NDC force, we make kind of crap propaganda na mama.
Now momo koi because of the
because of the global crisis. Majority no are 2 years. COVID being number 1 and Russia-Ukraine war being number 2. Of course, me I will take it 3 factors and some internal challenges. Part of which NDC for lack of support for the government to manage the economy.
To raise revenue. To implement its plans. You fight against it. Now, they should give us alternative. And the exchange rate at about almost 10 point something. $1 to about 10 cedis or more. What is your alternative? And they will not be different. What they not be different. Omanhene, ampa 6 years. Abano ba no keka nsem ni bi se ebe ye betumi asesa ne mani bebrebe enye ni nyina na yatumi aye and enye ni nyina so betumi aye because Oman Ghana economic structure no Omanhene wo de wonim your economic structure no ni nyina ahye broni anum. One of your reviewers no pa no mutana one of the ladies body dey be Omanhene
subject me monitor or can some no say Omaya bibia import
akosia jewa
akosia ye import bibia Ghana unim say Ghana say do e na odi adwuma 10 fingers mu be nkron e hyeburu yenum die bedie die beda You cool.
Ochemo be catch you say 2016 ensa eduno na nkrono esebroni anu.
Sure.
Nothing has changed.
Bibia sisa.
What has changed?
Omanhene, bibia sisa in the sense yenuanum NDC 4 pension. Na COVID ni ho. Yenuanum NDC 4 pension no. Sebe mpredisa. Na Russia Ukraine wo mayo.
But I will tell you that when they were leaving, they gave you 2 oil fields to improve your revenue. You have borrowed over 291 billion.
Yes.
So you have enough revenue as compared to John Dramani Maham's 2016 amount of money. Okay. When you put the infrastructure there, they talk about the tuable gas and all others. They did return on investment. But you have borrowed, and all your borrowing now be recurrent expenditure. NDC does not accept the facts I must say COVID because they say you had about 3 billion 2020, 2021 with respect to COVID. So you have enough money. I was saying economy no dollar and day. You have mismanaged the economy.
Omanhene, you mismanage the economy no. Adea bi na ate bayra habemu ama bayra nyakese. Anya mismanagement. Nti NDC phone to me transing enkasa. They are 7 American. Mine penny for see the Jawan as well.
Okay.
Nti anya that easy sir. See kasa de obi di ja obi dia. Ye kotu oye kura omu kasa adwongo. Nti President Kofo di bija o. Emra ye bie oil first. Ghana GDP core 14%. Ye ka Ghana GDP a isi kasem ni nyinim. Sefo ne ya. Tema President Kofo di ma ya omu sha se betu oil no. 14 acres ne reka ho. Omu so omu no. Eko wi ase omu jamu ma 2016 no. Sefo ne ya na fibia ye koma mpontina kodo. Na afede omu de 3.4 acres ne ka ho. Adea ye de 14 acres ne ka ho afibia no. Esoti ya beto 9.1. Esoti ya fiwa beto 3.4 acres every year ne reka ho.
Sompa 93.
So yene shishe ne man mbaya na benya ho effect. Yes, sustaining the body be shase as the cocoa on average 7%. And is a kadi obi di ya and kidi ja omuye.
So mama member on China me kwa kogan. Ago.
Me da say.
O man na o kasa heba obi twetwe.
Oh da. Mama kasa China.
Ma minti bibi kakra free na honorable say obeti communication team bi.
Anyame nko ame de.
It's going to be a team original
making. And I'm say owadwuma ye.
Ye
Impenso a yedri. Ghana for epese omuhunu. Yeah. More than say omobeti. Sure. Omate abre.
Yes.
Ti se mu obibi eya. Anu mu behu behiame.
Ye be kire.
E chin saying.
Ye be kire.
Mo kwakoye say bia another talk shop because only bibi. Mame responded in your marketing kitibi. Na honorable Eka say because of parliament. To be a si hona ma GDA ni economy muna.
Part of it, the local factors. Just to clarify.
Honorable ni ma there.
Me nkasa ma enye.
Sa woni mse ne me yema adwuma no. Wo de
okotunku ana.
Wo de ala na yenya free
part of them crop for
the domestic.
But you see enye no kre. Most investors adiba kwa omohwe eni say wo economy no eye strong eni say ye judicial system no say onu timamuni bi enya asem a ye beka biama na ye mu entia no eno ne confidence ohwe ansana there's no way the AC and parliament no ye de eye sabin preduasa an excuse for a businessman to leave.
It's part of it
because even amanonimpo omoko ewo ho. And you see, for me, this is the best parliament I have ever seen. A parliament, eniyama Ghana for say yem peneso no, omutumi sorry jina a peneso. Eniyama sebin preduasa, how could NDC with a minority in parliament be able to pick a speaker? it should tell you, say, members of parliament are omwohono. They are fair because MPP eto aba emba abambagben ebaye. So these are some of the things. Ghana for ye pese ye di ya batu ho fasoa. These are the kind of parliament, not a rubber stamp parliament, because we have been used to rubber stamping, no. And ne aba say ye in shisheye papa protected the Ghanaian, no. We feel say it is not the norm. Honorable Eka Asembi say ye ja bad economy emomo eno ne ma omo breno. Mesre money can be baby ada. Hwe ye what choices a nipa bia wo ye. Wo priorities ene be kyerɛw baby a se bin producer wo di wa mamu a na se wo di wa brabo no ebe kwa akoduro.
Okay.
Nana do dan kwaku fuado ebaye. 2017 to about 2016. 2017 one pam wenta na so started free education that same year. Sanka o papa anasa o nana enyaw ejapadea anke be den na wankasa wetumi enya bibia ye de ejawa wo de started free education. It was the same year. Wo be kaya na MPP for kra kasa o tobu na yenhwe nhihye yi honest no, we have enough money to start. Into 2017 I will say free education asiye no. So be enya we japadea. Will you have been able to do this? Apart from Sika Edija so no, ye ja a lot of infrastructures are AD ye Emma ye call your friend is saying just to me start free SHS. Honorable Eka say MPP for abon kra no ye dankanim. But he was not able to add say ye we and nunti ne yeda nkanemu. Omanhene mami ka bibi nchro. Abra santimemu eda sumu. Yeda sumu ewa ha no. It took Nana do dan kwaku fuado. Say or the Ameri plant na His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Edeba Ghana no. Say ye move free cry. Ebra asantimemu. Na yemfambe si dum so ano. Sabi wenya she amwasia mpenifo say a monocrono. Dum so esisi and was promised under His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, because ya sheye no ato ho say this will be the last time I beko. Mu ankasa mo ba ye no mo say machines yakwa fa ba nhihye ya ye no it's excess capacity. Yeah. Sabi producer anko bi a wa promise one district, one factory. Energy is one main factor.
That's right.
Ubetumi ediaye. Because wababetu you know say it is in excess. If it is in excess, uton a Jessica. Inti a yede ne beye excess. Anko bi say baby ubabe see factory e wo hono. Na patre say factories energy no. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama has even factored it ahead of time. So ube here intimidate atoho ediamawo. On the issue say IMF nanado akoyi and because of COVID ene adie no. Hwe Omanhene. Yenya asasem no eka. In the first place, sa Russian-Ukraine war asema yeken. Ghana na yeje oil every Libya. Ye fertilizer every Libya. Ye imported a lot of commodities ewo Libya. Libya ye nyomo ena ewo African continent ha, so close to us. Yeto a friend say me hu say me nkatwi no, there was a siege on Libya. So bombing them, killing their president and all that. Affected Ghana. Baby anka yekoji oil efri, yekoji fertilizer efri, yedi edwa bebre ewo ho no affected yen. Ghana edwadifo. Baby omukọ form niema dodo no eye China and Dubai. Eba ni say na de Russia and Ukraine war akwakoye sebin preduasa Adea Amagana essay because the MPP administration doesn't want to be responsible on pesa obejia to mu say me anya medwuma yi anase me nya medwuma yi enti bibia akabia no ope bibi e de ahye no for 6 years you are still blaming John Dramani Mahama. For 6 years you are blaming COVID and all that. And in the first place, Sir Honorable Ochemka say because of friend say COVID into na omoko IMF and yanokre because
read the text.
When
it's done, then you quote the text. Why?
You see, this is not even the first time Nanado Abayi Eko IMF. In fact, this is the third time Nanado Abayi Eko IMF. The first time Omuko no, not a Russian Ukraine na.
The first time, that is when they came to meet IMF 2017.
You see, Omuba 2017 no.
The IMF program was still there.
The program was still there.
Running.
It was ending in 2018.
They extended it.
And Omuka said, Debbie, say na mamunity no, yes, Ramo, Mumra metwaso emaye for 1 year. So that time no, not COVID aba, but you went to IMF. The second time Omukoye, when this COVID came, made an application of $1 billion. This is the second time. In the third time, yeah, Omukoye susono. The same excuse. The same excuse, Anna. You see, sometimes when ya seven preduasa, we feed the so, when ya kwasiashua, na wu tietia seven preduasa, u kiaso bakoa. She's a second time no ni bebre. Obisa about alternatives. Anka yede Emma Warner. How many times His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Anka say, let's sit on a round table. Say yakotina abonting. Ekasebia munyese ya. It will be populist. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama would di amamunida. And he knows how it is. And nuntina otufo. Eka say Nana do baumia muni bida. I can take advice from His Excellency President Kufuor. I can take it from Rawlings because and to say Sabin Predu as a chess game and I say damn it. It is deeper than that. And nunti yenye yeka alternatives ye. Abra COVID ebaye. NDC yete your friend is saying COVID team. Exactly.
So you were ready to offer help.
Exactly. Yeah. Because you had closed your door. Because you find yourself COVID no an opportunity you closed your door. Team no moka say a populist. What you say? And then what's the alternative being anywhere? And you catch us yentina sini ensim konya. Enti anka na so NDC. Yankote a friend is saying team and start giving you measures that you have to take. Next na waka say you're a populist. You have had a living president who says, Yentinase, na ye ni enkomo. That is what a senior person who has been president before will do. Unko ye press conference, unko keka ensembi, unless it is much needed. On the issue, say, ye mwamu ema omu emu omaino. Apart from say, yensi nkunyano. It is not just enough. Say, revenue a ewo Ghana no. Sabin prediasa. You are scooping everything you want the sikano so eye. A foot you are the mamo and say cut your expenditure. Sabin prediasa sika ready for editing no. Ye the tria ministers ka. Ye the tria government appointees ka. Ye the top petrol and a egu omukemu. Which responsible government? And na sabin prediasa. Obeka say yanko ye your friend is saying yanko appointed ministers baku 130. How can Nanado in his first term ye be sanun masamo kachre yen?
He's in a hurry.
He's in a hurry. Open them. You were in a hurry no. Ehina kano ediyen ekoduye. Sabe by this time ayewo ahuhehie mu. Sabe ye more rekra ebua ye pe solotape e de atare so no. His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo say Sam Remuno me ko baby am pese me high plane. Me pese me dware but explain am I so a you say as say udware e wo wiem. Sebim predu asa me sre me ka. In an economy like this, who say rating no eba from. It didn't just arrive at the CEO. Echo B-, first warning. Echo C, Echo CCC. Sebim preduasa. Once the sound no kakra. How else can we help Nana Addo Aban? And moi, ye de be boa Nana Addo Aban ne sa eno ane say ye be tu no efri ho. I am happy. Say Honorable Chem Eka say Oko no ankasa ne bantama. One of the strongest hold. Nkrofo bi a moye MPP for. Ba betro edin e wo NDC.
But be careful.
Oh, don't worry.
I'm telling you.
Don't worry.
But I don't see my
Don't worry.
Too much.
Say MPP for bi.
Same thing.
MPP for bi. Ba aba betro mudin e wo NDC kratam. I'm happy say you are saying be careful. But no credit say kanino na NDC. Ye bibia kra yo motan. But ene we hu NDC lie. Mu akwa diso. So be hu me. Say me the NDC lie so ene. I'm happy you are saying we should be careful. But we are being careful. But we are happy with that. Let me end with this one, Honorable Emrem. Okay? Ye ba no. Ye nim say abana e din e ba betro no. 3 groups e ba betro mudin. The first group NDC for ankasa omunya kwanya entro mudin. MPP for omubu efu ebeba so mba betro mudin. The third group MPP for omuba be propaganda. Omubeba se omuba betro mudin. No tro ni din na ebi a 2024 ye campaign mu ayede no. No we pia bonti abeka say oh ye NDC for ye jai party no ye membership card ni ya hye no. We are aware of all this thing.
Yeah.
And so you say Bema insinuum.
Okay.
We are going to continue it.
Coming.
Things are going to work out.
Omanhene, commander, if you say it's part of it. Dear Minue Kainin, I'm say very simple. Now or can say parliament activities any effect. I will say investor better and I want to. It's a total lie, unless it be a sebi.
It is not the case. Not
okay.
A lie.
No, not a lie. I say that. I don't mean an insult. Sorry.
Oh, that's okay.
I don't mean an insult. And yet that is not the case. Now, fortunately for me, we call Eurobond. I think it's 2018 and 19. Oh, UK nibi. Omanhene. Mra ekope parliament me ekonya ekope bosia abeka abeboa Ghana budget. Na ekoye na subscription na for office no made man no. Edoso nti we omu subscription ba omu subscriber na afedi yeko hene bo no. Uni ma sama body ba ko kire me. Say the way amanfo si pese omu to Ghana bond you pa de. Senye nsem bia sebe opposition na nam Ghana kaka pa de anka bo sebe mbejan fofofo. Omanhene the person can say investors community no. They ekoso o man Ghana bia no omu monitor. The cost of Magana be a effect. Ewo a bois busiampo yademaye. Not the AC Parliament. And a fact said the AC Parliament no. And you sanswo ewo the market, the investor community no. They watch, they monitor. Maybe then and Robo Dongo. Yet finance committee, 7 Parliament. Yeah, go through loan be the regional Bolga Hospital. Ekotwaso. No say add into the premium we are in the board and the premium I to alone on the board and do. No, because that is the cost of propaganda. So okay, can some ending so and now your behavior be a man affect any party invested here a won soon so into the parliament here no a won soon so we are born. That is education number 1. What say a Japadie? NDC economy Japadie. And Omusa Jaika, Omoma assets and liabilities. A kahunu bebrebe. Japadie, I can say me $200 million or consolidated a friend say a contingency fund. Stabilization fund.
Asla fund.
Obeka. But the real video of the or financial crisis. The real video of the take or pay over $5 billion. You know, if you even financial crisis, 4.6 million people I could solve we in Puno. And now it's about over 21 billion Ghana cedis. On canon home. Until back to Japadiana, Sabi producer. Oman Panini could fork when you be. Sabi, Oman Panini coming Kroma, Wolfis 1 year BB, 1 year independence. Say, Obi Assembly Academy, Sanenka, Mosum Batubi. Until the man for cry. Or cast a light on, if you and a light to buy. You watch your light him. Coso light him, my. You hear bear a 5,000 gallons. What's my quarter 10,000? See, but you saw, you trianka. That is take or pay. So, who private business, I find it just in time. You order what you need, you do take or pay on what you need. They will hear no. Their bros no say use and pay. And no kwa bogana ka over 12 billion. And Tinya capacity man farmer. Dabi, I know the meaning can be said. The capacity was there. There was mismanagement, financial crisis. Nansha Shamu de Tongono, Abogana ka over 12 billion. But my friend cry, a free senior school bear almost 6 years or 7 years. Obeka, your friend say, Bibi to say, me and blame me COVID. Yeah, all kind of tests now, but credit ratings no, and to so much as also, oh. Yet Ghana credit rating no free B+ man or stable condition to CCC and the be outlooker. You can't the umuka king kaya. Umut me ma kind test make a say. Do na ye we are pressure on the whole world. And they say bejina na ye ni enu mu din komo ni an kan krese. Sebe say even internal factors wo mpo a external factors no eso e ka ho bi. O ma ye make say ni nyina ye external, but external no play major role. Egoma mass had by. Or say Sabi, or Mampani John Romani Mama, JDM, or see entrance na Yankasa. In fact, Omanhene in the Queen Mianum. So, Mam Romani Mama, what dear my Odi or my offense, among Wibida. Into a castle trust in the Yankasa and Freddy Domanequa. I can get bonnet. But you want to cook us in Tubia.
There be so a castle in Tubia, no assassin Agina.
Sabi ampa mpani pose oh o see ntubio nyana say dead goat on tubia and then
2016 he came back to say he's no more dead.
Yem fan say say there sorry onyane dead goat bio na ya say obeti obia na obeti obia o mrantie ene o mabawa a o muti parliament subabe no modanadi a o muti parliament NDC party to be co-parliament, parliamentary gallery. Now they are using the ship system to make sure say omo to abanetia abane hyehyeye. Yehu a general mosquito or parliament say what we make sure say they do according to what the party wants. What the party wants, not what Ghana wants. Now ka say yemrani enko o ka say hwehwura, what here for ma, we be say budget most of portray, e-levy most of portray. Now see entrance. The only money say, see entrance, but consultation goes away. Koso. And at Rasibia and chair parliament. Subabe na more than a deal parliament. Into which number of Montanaka say, any penny say, oh, Mummy and Tassi. Mubatrasia, Munchia Musubanam or Doam Womagana, our parliament near Muse, a toba we are after election a day, a dimumai. Omanhene, no say, Ghana under MPP. Yako IMF imprensa and I imprensa ni yekwi ye rade etifo propaganda ya mususun TNDC for yanko IMF imprensa. In fact the crow woman say Ghana a member of IMF you tria your dues sa huchira ba yetumi ko no problem sa huchira ba emra ye ba 2016 no yamfa application bia nkoto ho na enuanom NDC for na diako because of mismanagement and ye buy no am for pese ye hu frim and am say there be mu nuanom NDC for no o man timi am pass test no I'm telling you this is in the finance committee omu resource omu ye condition am de mum no o man timi ani so enti mum nkyere bibi say you will commit to the omu ye no o man ne say okay mum ye 1 year na improve nkyere mo say yeah, committed to discipline. I think I say back over the election overspent. One of the reasons I am a 4K. And you make sure say, you better try say, you better promise you money here, you perform it, my 1 year na first way. No more me film. And to my 1 year, and when standing my say, you fan show, say, you committed, say, be disciplined. And after 1 year performance, no, you are passing in your po, a cabamian son, and you pass it. And you catch me say, oh, you're making progress into Mumian film, and I did film. You go, Mudiana Mokoya Mania Diano.
A quick one. How do you respond to the assertion, say, 2017, 2018?
Yes.
The economy was good because of IMF presence. They left 2019 and everything went into disarray. And this is what they say.
What was 2019? 2017, okay, we came in, we started doing management. Was a market and I responded to the changes in the leadership.
That's right.
And you know, I not started by. And she said, Papa, you buy her within short time, near change a chim can so can you know you can say any technical problem. You have management and financial problem for which NDC was incompetent. And a chim so. And then you started taking prudent measures. Kakran. To my never say, what they even say NDC input and I do good results by 2017. What about 18? We sustained it.
Okay.
What about 19? We were doing well. From 17 to 18, mean numbers in them. 17 to 18, no GDP, and I had the number one measure of the. You're moving from 3.4% about 7% on average. Omanhene, it didn't happen just by heart. The other who says every number be able to be behavior be actually.
And they're saying it's because IMF was here.
No, IMF was not here. IMF left at the end of 17. We're on our own. Me, I had a chance to go to Washington DC with the Minister of Finance about 3 times. Washington DC.
But the program was running, but they were not here.
No. The program, no, we extended it for a year.
That is 2018. And then exited 2019.
We exited 19. And what happened in March? Me free Brazil buy private business be COVID. And
so
COVID
had it not been COVID? A quick one.
Individual. We are individuals. We become household companies because they are in law, they are human beings. Individuals, businesses together, a household together becomes a nation. Me small microfinance. First time in 12 years I make a loss was 2020 because the country was closed down. Yes, just stop here, loan disbursement. In yes, Kabib, to hear careful now, Kosia na kofom. The two firm, the two individual, are reflected on the national level. And to make a COVID no in your effect. A COVID by in Musa, and a yebe, there is problem with Russia Ukraine because any effect on shipping some wheat, some iron rod. Those issues.
Okay.
So because we have to sit down Omanhene and talk. And this is for me, but I'm saying that MPP inability to perform does not make NDC potent.
All right, I'll come to you finally. OPK charger and hands free. Bomodianinya OPK chargers ne hands free. 3-in-1. Jawabane won konkron kama. Ope type C. The same charger now. Obenya. Ope iPhone anona obenya sounds so. And I say ope. The friend Android obenya. Charger no nie. O de shem say kama. Now the way no so RM. Fefe. Hwewei type C. Esaye iPhone and Android. It's in your face now. I could go and buy Danko or Fred Charlie Mama me charge. Who come baby was all meeting crucial meeting. Now a Kaiser was our charger or it happens to us.
Yeah.
I'm saying Debbie. You just connect this on your in your car. Whichever phone I want, no, I don't know. Open the support to 0242-497-133, 0242-497-133. X5 Restaurant and Pub. Mr. Wa, Akugan. Sika FM up seat. Charlie, the best food.
Oh, okay.
Oba is a undi for 4 pounds. I'm feeling it. Basa go in a question. Omo TZ, Banku, Omutio, Banku and tilapia, fried rice, chicken, aduane bia ope bia
any ever fa ho
ai eja easy kra ada no me ma Elvis fa ho
oh okay nice one
ai catch Zuba so fa nko ho the base no
Zuba me sure so tie
only do omo base no ai you say the don ko munyira akọ ho ai ti bibia ekoso ope aduane pa di dia frɛ 0549 609697 Junior Abrantie no Bapa well lady Oya Bema also to me Jina Brani SCPCita Anope me kamfu Junior Abrantie capsules amount Bema Bema your physical mental and sexual strength now went to me about Juma Obapa well lady ebe sie kama be yi menstrual pains no mni ade na makodo nkua so SCPCita Bema kwakwa so a wakoniye Open doso point to our friend 0257 030962 0257 030962 na bibia anya dai ekoso wonya mfie di nwotwe a efa wo sanka na bibia edadin ede amao enne ama besua afo and your birthday from your dad Big James fashion designer to Miss Gifty Barnes of Amstead Mampong Campus Public Health Department and then so you also that Miss Gifty Barnes of Amstead from Omanhene Yaw of Amstead. Okay, and it'll be soon in the birthday. On the ground say when ye for picture not to swear now be soon in the birthday. Aha, Dickin Alfred, and now your birthday. Happy birthday, Dickin Alfred. Nyame enton kwanem and baako so ka ho apart from Dickin Alfred there's one more ono so edi ni birthday oh and him say no ama o and why would you birthday happy birthday I say well okay Akugan let's wrap up obia or 3 minutes then wrap it up
I'm say lastly no make I say MPP for I'm say omo defense no ya dos and intra make I say asante my mamunya gidie bia ewo mumu because after 6 years now want to me admit say my mistakes manya eyiwia na it say DMBO na owo edema Ghana and COVID a year mode excuses am say ya broso because you see nipa bia bruni eye car no onim say enema bi ewo kwan mu a Emma Sabin Prediasa, Bibia Enco Smooth, and Joya Cano, or the shock absorbers, as a car say because Onim say Monchimonka, Ewonim. Inti say Abra COVID ebaye. Na one about 2019. Edru Ghana late 2020. Inti some rain in an dear na ye
2020 March.
You understand? Dear na ye. Ye ka say, yen tuya punumu enadia. What happened? And no to make us say, Mwankasa, and you Tuniba say, Wara Kofaba, Chrawe. Na honorable Susoka Bibi say, and na I said, Runketiate Gallery, na Ohrepe, Parliamentary uses web systems. You were 1-line web, you were 2-line web, you were 3-line web. Oh, meba. Me say, you were 1-line web, you were 2-line web, you were 3-line web. All their web system no are determined by the political party they belong to.
That's right.
You can't hide away from it. And nunti, ye yusu party, ye yusu web system anke bia mo appointees no krano. Anko omo appointment yem peneso. But look at the votes you got. Oh, it is not true.
I don't have a wrap it up. Now also wrap it up.
Maybe no AC no. Mesre asante mine. Kane na ye mu bi kra no ya ho ode ayede ba ha no nesa because na ye dwene say bibia ebe bia no will not be accepted ye bagie mfum to atum say asantema so ye bibia they are very appreciative and ade say nima enkoyi a omunim say enkoyi enu nti ya be ye nimu na eba be di dwuma ewo Ashanti region and there's no way and they should also remember our past. Bibi eni ho a sebi yeyi Asante fomu eba KJTR market, eba insusem, eba hospital, eba akwan and idea. We have never discriminated against.
Thank you very much.
Ojam,
one more about master Ashanti region.
Omanhene, yo, Omanhene, emu sebe producer. Ye wrap up very quickly. Se minu yaka se yenyin to me sebe. Amani yenfanya ne. That's why we accept responsibility. Yenka said ye koso no. Sebe aban no wonyin to. Anase wonyin to me say bia o my honchiro. Ye honchiro ye. Aha no efe bebebebe. Yakoye your friend say party ye wo power no. Ya do to me say ye wo Adea Akye ye. Enti ye say bia ndisi fo be gina ha ka che say yenyin to me. Eno de sebe enye ne kwasoro. Ena nchen me pese ye nyina Ghana for misre. Mo me hwe de si 2008. Kuja o my ko share ndisi fo nsema kania be dumbe. Ene nsem bebrebe nkra school basa ne de kaka ho unemployment bebrebe. Yeni momu Ghana mamu since independence ndisi fo bu more than any party. Dene even ye agree. Ene kosi say. Ankosi basa. Ntimi hwe ne ye. MPP for misre mo. Mo me am fasa bisa abufo nkobere yekuru. Yanom my Ghana posterity will question us. She said, "Meka ato ho." Na me kano sabi ahun brasi mu ne light on a light note. Say MPP for ya ba ifu abun sam na ne NDC. To me very careful. Say MPP for ya ni ya ba ifu a bun sam panyin na ne NDC aba my Ghana enim kwodea. Omun nim ye nche ye. Ti mo me yamfa bufu na say kamin te ha. Bantuma obi ma akọ set history of Bantuma. Na kwa bi so yayi masi nchen. And so the party is bigger than me. Me nu asan so me canvas kra man say onyere no ho na onye omadwuma. Because the oil no me so be private sector abwa Ghana mputuo. Enti me sre mayamfa sabe abufuo emre kro mo me kia homom enkankan say JFK ene new chairman aba no mo me nyire ho nyanka homom na NDC.
Thank you.
See jama wo mu a kania betum.
Well, we live to see 2024. We've just started. It's going to be powerful. Network Baba. It's 2024.
President Gofone now Bekai. Nyamu be na catch us and the voices and the folk we quite go to Mumpa. Omumfiu. As someone can say, Yankai past.
Yes.
Yankai past.
Yes.
Makabia Chile, Sabesabi.
And then
you say, some we have go to acquire my crana. Musi ye bonia ye, Asante for your bonia, and at the end is pay. And at the Asante for your bonia, and at the munia.
Okay, thank you very much. And it's time, and it's full time for the sports team to be seated and do wonders. Stay tuned. All that you need to know, you get to know right here with Abu Dhabi.